Oops. I just pulled my webcam down. Does it still work? Just a second. Yeah, it still works. What up? After they got like 10 people, they beat our 5, sure. But besides that, we were winning. Okay, just a minute. Let me read this here. Olympus, kicked from the guild. Hey man, I was kicked from the guild Olympus 9 because of my name. Apparently there's another Hashin I didn't know. So thanks for reading. Okay. Allie's from Olympus 9 is another person, okay? I was talking to Gil Tabard, farming for Tabard, and Allies was awesome and bought it for me. This is trivial, I know. Oh, this guy bought him a Tabard. Wow. Well, that's awesome. Thank you. Hello, I am the new GM of Olympus 9. That's right, chat. 999. Our guild had no government or structure leading up to our guild being ninja'd. I have installed a new regime in Olympus 9 to make this guild great again. I surround myself with the best and brightest people, and I mean they are great. Huge win for Olympus 9. We will be offering our assistance to other Olympus guilds, but for a price. We want 3 gold per day, and also better trade deals. Make Olympus 9 great again. Jigsaw 2020. Olympus Ninja got by GM. The bank tune of Olympus 9 got promoted to GM and left the guild ninja-looting us. We're very sad about this ordeal. We do not let you know. Let Asmon Daddy down. We will become rulers. Office Olympus 9. What? Remember, all Olympus 9, the guild's been taken hostage by a rogue GM who has mistakenly handled the power. Please leave the guild to join another Olympus. Wait. To join another Olympus guild. Okay, alright, just a minute. So, what the fuck is going on? Big drama. What's good, Maldi? Okay, alright, I got it. In dire need of a guild tabard. Okay, everything else seems to be... Olympus 8 is in dire straits. Oh, no. Okay, I recently quit Olympus 8, recruited a ton of people, and I loved the guild when I joined last night. Last night I found out Ferris is their GM. Okay, alright, just a minute. Let me figure this out. Let me join. Alright, I'm gonna log off. I'm gonna get on another character, okay? Just real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna get on. I'll get on. Fuck, dude. What guild do I even join? I'm gonna join MC. I'm gonna get on MC Raider, okay? And invite me to Olympus 9, okay? Please invite me to Olympus 9. We need to sort this out immediately. Okay, let's try and figure this out. Holy fucking shit. Okay. Mission Ferris doing the power grab 2 weeks ago in chat. Okay, can I get an invite to Olympus 9? Okay, give me a second. So I'm in the guild, and what's going on here? Oh no. Okay, Jigsaw is... Okay, he's the guild master. Now, give me a minute. Let me take this out here. All right. What's going on? 10 people have been kicked and another 15 have left. Okay. It seems like everything is okay. All new officers. Let me get back on my main character. It seems like the guild chat isn't going crazy. I'm going to message Jigsaw on my main character, and we're going to see if we can figure all of this out, okay? Give me a second here. All right, give me. I'm not going to let this happen, and I'm not going to let my guild go fucking... I'm not going to let Olympus 9 go rogue. Olympus 9 is not going to go rogue on me. Let me message Jigsaw right now. Okay. Okay, alright, I'm messaging him right now. I'm asking him what's going on with the guild. What is going on with the guild? I'm gonna figure this out right now. And after this, everybody else in Olympus, if you want to be part of the world PvP, go ahead and stay with me, alright? We're gonna start this in just a couple of minutes. And as soon as we sort out this Olympus thing. Ninja Guild? Wait, well, no, it's not. He started kicking officers, including myself, but we came to 05 while it gets sorted. Wait, what? Wait, what? He started kicking out all of the officers? Okay, alright, so, alright, well, let me... Okay, so... Kick this out into people that started with Olympus 9 whenever it was young. Okay, so... The old regime was allowed to kick... allowed our guild bank to be ninja'd, and there were a week off... Wait, what the fuck? The old guild bank allowed... Oh, wait, here it is. The twist window. Alright, there it is. I don't know why this one didn't work. Okay, close. These are always really buggy. The old regime allowed our guild bank to be ninja'd. They were weak officers. I will lead this guild with an iron fist, and weak people will not be allowed to run this powerful guild. I'm gonna ask him if he got the stuff back from the guild bank guy, okay? That's what really matters. No, Olympus 9 is the literal MAGA guild? Well, we don't know about that yet, okay? Olympus 8 and Olympus 9 are together in this. Wait, Ferris just sends me another message and he says Olympus 8 and 9 are together in this? Ferris, there's no way Ferris is actually the GM of Olympus 8. Okay, just give me a minute, I'm gonna see what this guy says. Okay, I am. Ferris, there's no way you're actually the GM of Olympus 8. Like, I don't believe it. I do not fucking believe it. I have an alt in Olympus 8. Is he... Wait. Let me double check. Yeah, alright. Rayquaza, double check, please. I want to make sure that he's a GM, okay? Alright, give me a second. Let me see what this guy's saying. Join on your alt? I will. Let me see if Jigsaw is going to give me a response back, okay? Because I need to figure out if he got the stuff back from the other guy. Possibly back GM to Olympus 1 to McConnell, and have you take GM of another Olympus guild? What, like fucking... What is this, like Hotel Nightmares or Kitchen Nightmares, where Gordon Ramsay comes in and whips those fuckers into shape and makes fun of them and calls them fat, then he leaves? Maybe I should do that. I'm waiting to see what's going to say. What's he going to say? Just a minute. I've got to take a piss, and I don't know where these guys are going to be. Okay, Ferris. I'm not gonna see the Ferris. Okay, alright, give me a second. What's he gonna say? Why did he kick you? I'm trying to get a response from these fucking people, man, but it's hard to get it back. Okay, what is this guy saying? Alright, I don't... Wait, alright, where's the clip? Okay. 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 Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Olympus guilds are fine. Oh shit, he responded. No, we did not. That is why me and my officers have put a bill on charging for our help, kind of like NATO. This is coming up to be voted by our officers when we want new trade deals to rebuild this guild bank. Okay. YDKQ. And then Huge Mad says, okay, so I wake up this morning to a message in Discord saying we all got hijacked. Was told to stay on the DL until everything got sorted out. Then I'm in this SFK and I see Sibri got kicked, check for Psylocke and he's already gone. I get messages from him saying, yo, tell everybody it's been hijacked. Then go over to Olympus 5. Wait, just a minute. I've got to leave this group. Ferris, you want me to join with you? You want me to join your group? Wait, I don't know about, like... Now, let me explain something to you. You guys might not understand this. I've talked people off a cliff before. I've done this many times. No mic in 2K19, I know that. Officer channel in Discord, I can explain the situation. Okay, just a minute. Alright, GM of 5. Okay, just a minute. Let me get in here and fucking see what's going on here. Give me a minute. Okay, hey, what's going on?
Hey,
Hi.
So-
yeah.
we tried to get this guy on Discord, talk him off the cliff, get him to pass over GM, you know, the usual avenues. So we get this guy on Discord. He says we'll get his mic working in a minute. He doesn't get his mic working in a minute. I think it's a big lie. I think he's a paid actor. So end up inviting him to a party because he can't get his mic working. I just think he's, you know, a squeaker, so he didn't want us to hear his voice. So he says that he doesn't know how to pass guild leader. I explained to him how to pass guild leader. I told him that you can give it to basically any of the officers, just someone decides himself. And then he
said that
kicks
you guys
all
kicked
the
him
officers.
from Discord.
Yeah, he was kicked.
That was after.
Yeah, he was kicked from the Discord. But he's not banned, so he should be able to join back in if you want to talk to him. But he doesn't have a mic.
Jigsaw. Everybody knows you have a mic.
Yeah, he definitely has a mic. I just think he's 12.
Everybody knows you have a mic.
He doesn't have to be embarrassed about his voice.
Come in Discord. Yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
We're taking refugees in Olympus 5. If you're not pleased with your leadership in Olympus 9, you can move over here. Whisper Razzle and game.
Before we do that, let's go ahead and just sit down with this guy. We're gonna talk to him. Now, how do you want me to handle this? Because here's the thing: we've not had a single renegade guild, right? We have not had a single renegade guild at all.
So what we'd like is for leadership of this guild to get passed to one of the former officers of the guild who are more active with the community and have more support among the 900 members of the guild.
Yeah, Sibri and myself are very active, and Sibri does a lot of inviting, and I do coaching on what you're supposed to be doing, what your correct gear is, where you should be going, and all.
Everybody's saying positive things about you guys.
Thank you. Thank you. O9's been like the chillest of the guilds that I know of. We've had no drama until this.
Okay.
A lot of veterans, a lot of EU members, former raiders, very knowledgeable and helpful people.
Mm-hmm. Somebody says he's in here, but now I'm not seeing his name.
He's Frost or something.
Yeah, but
I
where
don't
is
see
he?
him.
Yeah, you have to join a voice channel, man.
I don't think he knows how to set his role. I'll set it for him.
Okay.
I'll move him in.
Okay, here we go. Hey, what's going on, Frost? Is this Jigsaw?
His microphone is muted. I don't know if it's working.
You have to click the mic button. Oh, yeah, there. It's off now. And then just talk into the mic.
You don't have to be embarrassed about your voice. We were all young at some point.
Ferris is telling you to talk.
Is your mic not working? Just talk, dude. It's fine. We've got to sort out this guild bank shit, dude. Like,
There's actually not a guild bank issue. As far as I know, there was no guild bank in it. The thing was, the GM of the guild was somebody's bank alt. And then the bank alt got pestered to pass the guild lead to somebody, and he just passed it to someone completely random who happened to be on at the time, which is this random guy Jigsaw.
so let me get this straight. So the guild had a GM who got annoyed.
Level 1 bank.
So a random person who was then getting pestered so much, they got annoyed and transferred GM to a random player in the guild.
Yes.
That's what we believe, yes.
And as far as I know, it's a rumor going around the rumor mill. The old GM was Preston Gravy's bank alt. And
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if we can have bank alts being GM of 1,000-member guilds.
Well, I think that we should talk to Jigsaw about this and see what he has to say. I think that's the first step. Not really sure why his mic isn't working. There's no reason to be nervous, man. There's no reason. You got 88 in your name. That means you could be 31 years old. Alright? You're 31 years old. You can sit down, you can talk. It's fine. Waiting to see what's going on. Push to talk? Yeah, you might have push to talk on. And make sure you don't have push to talk on. No, Ferris, we're not gonna give you another we're not gonna give you another guild, dude. Like, you weren't even supposed to have one guild. Like, you were supposed to be excommunicated from Olympus in general. Somehow you fucking make your way into being GM of one of the guilds. I don't even know, I don't know what to do.
As far as I know, he got guildmaster of that guild by telling the old guildmaster that Ferris was your friend in real life. And that you wanted him to be GM. That he had your personal permission to be GM of the guild he's GM of.
Ferris says that you're lying.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, what happened to Jigsaw? He says, let me roast that fucker. What do you mean roast that fucker, Ferris? Like, what do you mean roast him? Like, he says, I'm getting in. Jigsaw, alright, he's getting in, guys. He's actually getting in. Okay, let's go. I'm ready.
Jigsaw's in the channel right now.
Yeah. Alright, give me a minute. It's 200 IQ move. That was a 100 IQ move. That was not a 200 IQ move. Like, you literally just say, yeah, I know the guy, and then, like, what GM is like, oh, well, he said he's Asmon's friend. I guess I'm gonna promote him up. Well, okay. Hey, man, we'll have a good time. You know, I just... what the fuck, man? We're almost ready. So... Jigsaw, whenever you've got time, man. I'd love to hear your side of things, man. I did a quest with Ferris once. I know the guy. He's legit. Okay, Ferris. Okay, that sounds fun. Sounds great. We're waiting to see what the hell's going on, okay? Listen, if you're ever in a fucking guild and somebody says Asmon said to do this, and you didn't hear me say it, I didn't say it. I never said it. It never happened. Ferris is a known scammer. Well, no, look, he's scared to talk in Discord. I don't know if he's scared to talk in Discord or not, okay? Like, we're trying to figure out if he's gonna even come into Discord. Like, he's sitting here, but he's not using his fucking mic. And I don't know why, okay? Like, you want to talk about fucking negotiating better trade deals, and the trade deal that you negotiated with the guild bank is you let him go, that seems like a bad trade deal. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like, that seems like a really bad trade deal. Like, I've had to deal with this guild bank shit for a number of peoples, okay? Like, come on. She go, listen, we're trying to figure this out. We're going to get this guy in here, and we're going to... yeah, this is the worst deal in the history of trade deals. Yeah, I mean, you just let him go. Ferris also stole my chest in the open world after I spent a whole hour clearing 3 enemy camps. Yeah, I could see that happening. Yeah, I definitely could. Alright, let's see. Ferris is in my group before this started. As soon as Asmon mentioned Olympus 9 was Ferris, it was like, Asmon was talking about me. I was like, nah, you're in Olympus 8. Then he left my group and told Asmon to join his group. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to get the response from Jigsaw, man. I'm trying my best.